Hi, this is John from NYC. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to review iactive stove. I just got it from Amazon. It's fairly cheap. With tax about I think slightly over $17. I don't remember exactly. When you buy it, it comes with the butane adapter, which it will go with this Asian butane can. So instead of using the isobutane gas, I will use the butane gas to do this. This is what it comes with in a box. Let's weight it with the box. It's about 348 grams, and this adapter is 53 grams. Let's move this, set this up. Comes like so. All this came folded with the leg, like so. Open the leg first. This side. Okay, and this comes with the little clicker to stop the fire. First, you connect the adapter to the stove line. Open the cab. It's locked. See this? This is the knob you control it. Here's the knob where you can control the gas. Open it up a little bit. I'm using 16 ounces of water. See it? Oh, jeez. Forgot to weight the gas can, but it was brand new. It said 227 grams. Let's see. Net weight 8 ounces, 227 grams. But I don't know if that is included with the weight of the actual can, the metal. Can you go higher? It's not. And next time, what I will test is that since I do have lindor valve. I will use it, plug this stove into the propane gas can and test this. I guess that will be my next video. I think this is burning pretty fast. I actually see the water bubbling a little bit already. And by the way, the water is at 16 ounces, so that is approximately 2 cups. Since a cup is what, 8 ounces? Oh, wow, I see the steam coming up already. I should have waited the gas can first, but let's see what it looked like afterwards. Maybe next time I should go get a little timer. See how fast this thing goes. Jesus. I don't know if you can see it on the cam, but there is an actual steam coming out. The actual the leg at the bottom, actually pretty cool. I can't even touch it. It's not even hot at all. Not even warm. There's a whole lot more steam coming out. Man, I'm gonna use this water for my cup of coffee. I think that would be the best idea. Well, I don't know if you can see in the can, but there's a lot of bubble coming out, but it's not rolling bubble. So just about there. Wow. And just for the reminder, I do not have this turned on all the way to the max. I am nowhere near it. I just turned it on very slightly. Simple fact that I am at indoors and I don't want to create the flame goes too high. So that's a slight reminder. You guys shouldn't turn this on to the max in the indoors. There it goes with the. There it goes. Just a little bit more. Another, what, 15-20 seconds. I think it's gonna have a rolling bubble. There you go. That is boiling. Wow. Okay, let me turn that off. It is off. Wow. I'm gonna save this for a cup of coffee later. Okay, this is off completely. So what is happening is there's a little gas coming out of the reverse side, whichever the gas was is stored inside within the line. So you guys should know. Ew, smell. I might have to. My window is open, so that's fine. So one thing about this, once you finish cooking, you have to reopen the line to let all the stored gas go out. And let's see how much this gas can weighs. This butane gas. So we said 327 grams. And on the thing, it said net weight is 227 grams. So I guess we cannot see how much it weighed. Actually, how much gas we use. But next time I'll remember to measure this can first. Anyway, that concludes my video for the day. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and a like. Okay, bye-bye.